Start telling terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Opportunity often knocks twice. Miss one chance, don't worry. Life has a funny way of surprising us with new opportunities. One, opportunity often knocks twice. Reason, a missed chance doesn't always mean it's the last one. Two, another chance may come. Reason, keep learning while you wait for the next opportunity. Three, a second opportunity may appear. Reason, experience helps you prepare for what's next. 4. Life offers a new beginning. Reason, every day is a fresh page in your story. 5. Every ending can lead to a new beginning. Reason, one chapter closes so another can start. 6. New doors can open. Reason, unexpected opportunities often arrive when you least expect them. 7. Another door may open when one closes. Reason, stay hopeful and keep moving forward. 8. Fresh opportunities await. Reason, the future is full of possibilities and there is always room for comeback. Reason, the future is full of opportunity possibilities. 9. There is always room for comeback. Reason, a setback can become a awesome comeback story. 10. Tomorrow brings new possibilities. Reason, every sunrise brings another chance to try again. 11. Every setback can lead to a new opportunity. Reason, challenges often teach valuable lessons. 12. Keep an eye out for your next chance. Reason, opportunities sometimes appear quietly. 13. Good opportunities can return. Reason, staying prepared help us recognize them. 14. Stay ready for the next opportunity. Reason, preparation meet opportunity. 15. Your next chance may be closer than you think. Reason, keep going, maybe almost there. 16. Keep hope alive. Reason, optimism gives you a courage to continue. 17. Be prepared when opportunity arrives. Reason, practice today so you're ready for tomorrow. 18. Every day is a new chance to grow. Reason, small improvements adds up every time. 19. Success often comes after persistence. Reason, many achievements are built one attempt at a time. 20. When one path ends, another begin. Reason, sometimes the best journey starts with unexpected turn. Don't let one missed opportunity stop your journey. Stay curious, keep improving, and be ready for the next door that opens. Your next awesome opportunity could be just around the corner. And when it arrives, you'll be ready to shine. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias!